Spark plugs look fine, but that piece shouldn't be there. What's going on, guys? Steve Sam here with Beyond the Build. In today's episode, we're going to go ahead and try to diagnose Sally's misfire problem. Just needed three things: air, fuel, spark. I'm going to start with the spark plugs, then go from there. Let's see what happens. Change them out, and hopefully she starts working just right. Let's get to work, guys. Alrighty. Got a couple things. We got the dielectric grease we're going to put around on the spark plugs. I got the spark plug gapper tool thing, and our 8 spark plugs. Right now I'm just going to go ahead and check the gap on all these spark plugs, make sure they're gapped right, and then put them in.
Perfect.
Alright, we're going to do a quick startup. I'm going to use the temp gun to see if all of the cylinders are firing. And yeah, we'll see how it works. Let's go. Looks like it's number 4. I'm gonna wait for the engine to cool down, the headers cool down, so then I could go back in there and see maybe it's the spark plug wire or something. I don't know. That's the only one that's cooler than everything else, so I'm gonna assume that one's not firing. Well, after doing a little bit of investigation, I think we have a bigger problem than the spark plugs. One of our rollers actually broke, and it's in 2 pieces, so let me show you guys. Spark plugs look fine, but that piece shouldn't be there. These are rollers. And here's this buddy. He's not looking too hot. Started cranking the engine a little bit, turning it manually, and I saw that the rod does go up. It pushes the roller, but it doesn't move. So I don't know if that's a bent valve or anything. Called my buddy Nato and said check the spark plugs. I mean, they all look fine. I wouldn't say that's an indication of a bent valve or anything. So, I mean, I'd probably it's gonna take it all apart, replace them again, call it a day. And start up, fingers crossed, hopefully it works. There's no big issues. But yeah, that's the end of this episode because I'm done. It's good thing I caught it now instead of the engine being like, you know, completely destroyed. Hopefully it's not destroyed, so we'll see. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this today's episode. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. We'll see you guys in the next episode, and we're gonna run it just right. See you guys.